to show you our decorated he shed and she shed.
Yep, that's right.
DIY expert and home contractor Skip BEDELL is here for the grand reveal. We've been working on this all morning.
We're warming up around the solo stove. But by the way, guys, this is the world's best fire pit right here. Double wall stainless steel. You can feel the heat coming off of this.
No arguments from us right now,
I have
Skip.
one of these because I could put
amazing?
it on the beach at my lake cabin.
I love the solo stove. So now we're going to get to it. Tough Shed, Baron Designs, HomeDepot.com. Rachel, you did a great job with the girls.
Yay.
We're ready for the big reveal.
The she shed?
Check out Rachel's she shed.
It's a she shed. Only me allowed in.
Check it out.
Oh, wait,
That's not how it works.
Rick, you can
I'm sorry, that's not how it works.
You're not allowed.
You just gotta identify.
Oh yeah, I identify as a she.
You identify? Okay. Everybody who identifies as a girl can come in.
Okay.
Non-binary.
All right,
really
Baron Designs, wall panels and beams and mantle places that you see there, all in the Tough Shed. So how cool is this?
You know, this is, if you try and escape in your house as a mom, they find you.
Step out so you can
But
see
if I
it.
had this in my backyard,
And foam,
Unbelievable,
this is awesome.
right?
I love
beams,
this.
and look at the mantle on the wall.
Rachel, how did you do all of this?
Rachel, by the way, Rachel's an amazing carpenter. I just want to let you know.
We're working during every commercial break.
And don't forget,
But listen, this whitewash brick is so great.
Isn't it awesome?
You
Baron
never know that it
Designs,
was
amazing stuff.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
I don't want to cut you short, but I want to show my shed too. So.
Don't forget Skip 20.
Okay.
Time for the he shed.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
All right, let's go see the
All right.
boys.
You ready for the he shed? Here we go.
Hey Rachel, you can come into the shed too.
I'm identifying as a man today.
We have the big reveal. Milwaukee Tool pack out system. Watch this tool organization. Let's open up this door and check this out.
Wow.
We got
This is
the flat
organized.
screen
Oh,
over the Baron stone wall.
Oh.
We got the refrigerator down here, the man cave. The guys can put the drinks in. We can watch the ball game.
Why is it not on Fox and Friends?
You got the stone. Well, we're watching the game.
Oh, we're
right?
watching
Yeah.
the game.
Yeah, we got the stone wall from Baron, and check out this amazing pack-out tool system, all provided by Milwaukee Tool. Unbelievable system. This is a great way to get your shed organized. And if you're going to put your tools in here, you might as well have them organized and looking
Hey,
good.
guess what's in the he shed?
The skylight?
Skylight.
We got skylights, we got windows, we got everything. That's Tough Shed. They make these sheds like a house. They're unbelievable, and that's why we decided to deck them out like a
But
really
you said
like a house.
you buy them, they'll deliver it and assemble it as part of the price
Yeah, you
too?
get them at Home Depot, and they deliver it right to your house and install it where you want it in the yard. It couldn't be easier.
Will they organize the tools?
Well, that's why you got to call me. So,
Skip, what's your number? Tell everybody.
If you guys could just, I would just want to show this back
Yeah,
open. You're just going to
absolutely.
step out just for 1 second and
Not enough room in the he shed.
take a look at how organized this is with
It's
all these
awesome.
great setups from Milwaukee. Really nice. This pack-out system, you put these packs on the wall, and then you can snap all these accessories onto it, making it really easy to
I've been
organize
saying
your
for
shed.
years this is the type of setup I'm going to have, and they're all just sitting on a table. I need to do
Unbelievable,
You
right?
can do this,
Yeah.
Pete. You could do this in your new,
I could.
Tennessee
Yeah, but he's
home.
not going to.
Yeah. Pete, call me up. We'll have a couple of beers, we'll barbecue, and we'll do it.
There we go.
Skip, yes.
Everything here available that you see all at Home Depot.
He's
so.
going to take you up on
I
it.
know
take
you.
you up
He's
on
got
it.
my
And
number.
skipbedell.com,
He's
check
got
it
my
all out,
number.
right?
Thank you, guys.
All right, coming up, Fox Nation is celebrating Yellowstone's 150th birthday, and Abby Hornacek is here to help us celebrate. Next, look at that. That's a he shed.
That's the he shed.
I get